Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Janet.
We're with Fleming Originals.
We're makers, and we want to put the Glowforge Aura to the test. In part 2 of our series on the Glowforge Aura, we shared our greatest disappointment. The Aura would not cut the proof grade medium acrylic. Then our friend Jess from 99 Art Designs reached out to us to let us know we should try a hack. She suggested that we remove the Glowforge sticker and change the settings and try to get it to cut. We searched the internet for appropriate settings for the material, but we couldn't find a machine under 25 watts. The Aura is 6. We decided to be creative. We flipped the acrylic over.
We used the Eco-Thin Teal settings to start. Since the material is twice the thickness, we used that to figure out settings. The software did not like those. It gave us a warning that we could start a fire, ruin the laser, and void the warranty. Nope, the Aura is less than a week old.
Our solution was to use the Eco-Thin setting and run it through twice. The Glowforge software accepted that. The white light came on and we were able to get started with cutting. It took 14 minutes and 3 seconds to completely cut, score, and engrave this little keychain. When it finished, we waited for the smoke to clear, for it to cool down. We opened the lid. We did not move the material, but we just checked to see if it had cut through. It had not. We closed the lid and started the process again. It worked. We are so grateful to Jess for telling us about this hack.
It occurred to me that instead of running it twice, we could simply double the number of passes and it would accomplish the same thing. So we tried it. And it worked.
I'm happy to say it can cut this. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Please like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.